Hello beautifuls, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show the DIY for nameplate. This is ply which I am going to use. I got this from my sister's home. These are the things which I use for nameplates. I will mention all the things in description box. Firstly, I have designed how my nameplate should look and then attached with Fevicol and Fevibond. We'll take 3 teaspoons of JK Wall putty and mix it with Fevicol. Add Fevicol little by little so that it has no lumps into it. You have to mix in a smooth mixture. The texture of this should be very smooth and flowing. So you add little by little. So as shown in the video, you can follow these steps. Mix it very well without any lumps, because when you apply this on the ply, it should give you a smooth texture. One more thing you can use as 50% of Fevicol and 50% of water. It will give you the same smooth texture. I have used very little water in the end, so to give the smooth texture and the flowing texture. The consistency should be so smooth, it should be flowing like this and showing in the video. We will spread all over the ply, over the design, whatever we have attached. First you can use the spoon, you can use your hand to apply the whole. One more thing is make the mixture then and there when you are using it, because if you are making and keeping it aside, it would thicken it up. So use whenever you want and make whenever you want. The mixture can be thicker than this, but it should not be too flowy. Once you have spread all over, you can use the same spoon and give a tap all over so that it gives you a peaky look, or you can use your hand to give a peaky look. See how it is looking. So you can use your comb to give a other design. So if you want, I'll share that pic. I'm applying this texture at back also so that it gives me a similar look. So this is a basic applies. Let your front part dry and then next day you can do for the back part. For coloring, you can use any color like poster or fabric. I have used poster color dark brown for the basic. So this is how I have painted it all. Next, I have used rose metallic color. You have to take a very small amount in your brush and you just brush it on a peaky texture so that it pop-ups the design. You can see my base is showing as a darkest brown color and the upper part is shining. So this should be the texture of this material. For naming part like letters, so you can use M-Seal or Shilpakar. This is a format which I have prepared on my paper. I'll mix the M-Seal properly. I'll read the M-Seal part and then mix it. Mix your M-Seal very smooth, but one suggestion is like if you are making one letter, so mix part by part. I have mixed at once, but at later when it dries, it is very difficult to cut it out. So firstly you think of what letter and which letter you want to do and how much amount of M-Seal it would take. Roll it out in a thick medium part. So as shown in the video, you can watch. The thickness should be maintained for every letter, the same thickness, and you can place the font size and this, and you can mark it with the pencil. The same font has appeared onto it. Now you can cut with the cutter. You have to adjust each and every corner and cut it properly. After cutting it out, you can use Fevicol to stick the letters one by one, or you can stick directly from like M-Seal is not dried up. so you can use without Fevicol, or if it is dried you can use Fevicol. So this is how it looks. I have made a design on the border side. You can make any design onto it with an MC. With the leftover M-Seal, I have made a stone shaped design so that we can attach like that also on the side corners to give a good look. So these things I have made with the leftover M-Seal. If you are using this type of design, so you first stick on the board and then you brush it with your color. This will give you a good look. So this is the another idea which I am giving to you for other different look. If you use Shilpakar, then Shilpakar comes in a white in color. So you need not to use white base. If you are not using Shilpakar, you have to use white base to give a bright color look. So I have painted with white and then with a gold. So this has been coated for 2 to 3 times for final look. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, you can mention in a comment box. Thank you for watching.